Okay, so let's let 3.5 be and 3.5, 4 be ordered pair number 1. And let's let 8, 7 and 1/4 be ordered pair number 2. So now we need the y coordinate in the second ordered pair. That's going to be 7 and 1/4. Before I write that down, let's put this into an improper fraction. So what we're going to do is take the 4 and multiply by 7, which is 28, and then add the 1 on top, which is 29. And then we put that over 4. That's the same thing as 7 and 1/4. And then let's do the same thing with 3.5 while we're at it. Take 2 times 3, which is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. This is going to be 7 over 2. Okay, so now whenever I find the y coordinate in the second ordered pair, instead of using 7 and 1/4, I'm going to use 29 over 4. Minus. Now we need the y coordinate in the first ordered pair, which is 4. Over. X coordinate in the second ordered pair, that would be 8. Minus the x coordinate in the first ordered pair, which is 3.5 or 7 over 2. Okay, now, in order to add and subtract stuff that we have on top, we need common denominators. So I'm going to break this as 4 over 1. And then we're going to multiply this by 4 to get the same denominator as 29 over 4. Then we have to do the same to the top, so we have to multiply by 4 on top. And so now we have 29 over 4 minus 16 over 4. Now, at the bottom, same issue. This is 8 or 8 over 1. And we're going to multiply the 1 by a 2 so that it has the same denominator as 7 over 2. We have to multiply the top by the same number so we don't change our fraction. And so now 2 times 8 is 16. That's going to be 16 over 2. Okay, and then minus 7 over 2. Okay, so now we can actually simplify the top. 29 over 4 minus 16 over 4 is 13 over 4. And all that is over 16 over 2 minus 7 over 2 is 9 over 2. Now from here, I'm going to look at it like I'm taking this fraction and I am dividing by this fraction. I mean, that's really what we're doing. So I'm going to rewrite it as 13 over 4 divided by 9 over 2. But wait, instead of dividing by this fraction, instead I could multiply by the reciprocal. So 13 over 4 times 2 over 9. Now, 13 times 2 is 26. 4 times 9, 36. And now we look at 26 and 36. I believe 2 divides into both of those evenly. So divide by 2 and you get 13. Divide 36 by 2 and you get 18. And that would be your rate of change.